studio with the man, my brother Ella. Working on his Phone Posse album, La Land shit, High Society shit. This song called Walking My FPs. Stupid.
You wanna hear the bars? What I got so
He building.
Yeah.
Building.
These old school pennies already set me back 230. Gave you them at 2:30 outside of the club. Sneaker head show me love, girls show me love in other ways. A monster rapper straight out of the haze. Mind full of days in the struggle. Kaiser was absent-minded of flyness, and now I take off from her. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going in, that's where I'm going. Sub me in.
Sub me in. Sub me in. Sipping on the lean again. Smoking on the shit the same color as a Heineken. Me and my friend get loaded. I'm so high I can't control it. Percocets, Ixin, itching. Man, shout out to Lou Jilly, man. Juni Mac, you already know, man. Mike Mills, Francois, Jelly, Radios, a whole bunch of rapping ass niggas, man. That's fly, man. Shout out to my nigga Lambo, man. Flyland, www.theflyland.com, man. Get at a nigga.